Good afternoon. Today I am going to start from a history new chapter. Already I started the introduction. Now the first unit I will start from the rise of nationalism in Europe. The first unit is here, it's given the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. The first clear expression of nationalism came with the French Revolution in 1789. Already the nationalism in this world, it had started from the French Revolution, as you would remember, was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789. That was the year 1789 when the French Revolution started, under the rule of an absolute monarch. That was the period of a monarchy system, the kingship. The political and constitutional changes that came in the wake of the French Revolution led to a transfer of the sovereignty from the monarchy to a body of French citizens. It had started from the monarchy and it had turned into the citizenship. The revolution proclaimed that it was the people who would henceforth constitute the nation and shape its destiny. From the very beginning, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. The ideas of la patrie, the fatherland, and the le citoyen, that is a citizen, emphasized the notion of a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. So that was a period in 1789 when the all rights being given by the France. A new French flag was there, tricolor, was chosen to replace the former royal standard. So that time there was a French flag also with the tricolor, and it had been chosen to give the former royal standard. The States General was elected by the body of active citizen and renamed the National Assembly. So that was the active citizen was there, and it had renamed the National Assembly. New hymns, new poems were composed, oaths taken, and martyrs commemorated, all in the name of a nation. So that time the new things took place. A centralized administrative system was put in place and it formulated uniform law for all citizens within its territory. Internal customs duties and dues were abolished. Whatever the custom duties, taxes it was all abolished. And a uniform system of weights and measures was adopted. A new thing was adopted, weights and measures was adopted. Regional dialects were discouraged, and French, as it was spoken and written in Paris, became the common language of the nation. So that time only the French was adopted. Other language was already discouraged. The revolutionaries further declared that it was the mission and the destiny of the French nation to liberate the people of Europe from despotism. In other words, to help other peoples of the Europe to become a nation. When the news of the events in France and reached the different cities of Europe, students and other members of the educated middle classes began setting up Jacobin clubs. So by that time, the people, they were sitting and they just settled one club, Jacobin clubs they were setting. Their activities and the campaigns prepared the way for the French armies, which moved into Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, and much of the Italy in the 1790s. With the outbreak of the Revolutionary Wars, the French armies began to carry the idea of a nationalism abroad. So like this way, from there, that period, the French Revolution, the 1789, it started the nationalism throughout the whole world. Within the wide swath of the territory that came under his control, Napoleon set about introducing many of the reforms and that he had already introduced in France. So Napoleon had started many things already which had started from the France. Through a return to monarchy, Napoleon had no doubt destroyed democracy in France, but in the administrative field he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient. So like this way, Napoleon had started his new way in the France. The Civil Code of 1804, usually known as Napoleonic Code, underline this sentence, it's very important. The Civil Code of 1804, usually known as Napoleonic Code, did away with all privileges based on birth, established equality before the law and secured the right to property. The code was exported to the regions under French control. In the Dutch Republic, in Switzerland, the Italy, and the Germany, Napoleon simplified administrative division, abolished the feudal system. Now Napoleon had started his new ways and measures, and he had abolished the feudal system also, and freed peasants from serfdom and manorial dues. He had disgraced many things. He had cancelled many things in his time. In the towns too, guild restrictions were removed. One type of tax it was removed. The transport and communication system were improved, and the peasants, artisans, workers, and new businessmen enjoyed a newfound freedom. Businessmen and small scale producers of the goods in particular began to realize that uniform laws, standardized weights and measures, and a common national currency would facilitate the movement and the exchange of the goods and capital from one region to another. So like this way Napoleon had started many things, many new things which had came to the France. However, in the areas conquered, the reaction of the local population of France rule was mixed. Initially, in many places such as Holland, Switzerland, as well as in certain cities like Brussels, Mainz, Milan, and Warsaw, the French armies were welcomed as harbingers of liberty, but the initial enthusiasm soon turned to hostility as it became clear that the new administrative arrangements did not go hand in hand with the political freedom. Increased taxation, censorship, forced conscription into the French armies required to conquer the rest of the Europe. So like this way the tax was also increased just to conquer the whole Europe. All seemed to outweigh the advantages of the administrative changes. So like this way the whole, not only the society will change, many things it became it became changed in the time of Napoleon as he started in his time in the France. So like this way it has the first unit is over. Now second unit I will start from tomorrow.